Mihu, are you ready? Say hi. So this is your painting box. You like painting? Okay, so Mihu will paint today. And are you excited to play this game, Shonu? Okay. Are you ready? Thumbs up. Thumbs up. This is a finger up. Thumbs up, Shona. Yes, this is the right one. Okay. It contains brush, painting sheets, manual and colors. So ready? Okay. This apple is painted by Mihu. Okay. This banana is painted by Mihu. So A and B are complete in this. A for apple, B for banana. Oh. So you're ready with the brushes and the colors. Okay. Take out sheet, take out sheet, take out. Very good. Do it. So what do you want to paint? What do you want? Take out sheets. What do you want to paint, Babu? What Mihu wants to paint today is an. This is what show me, show mama, show me. What is it? What do you want to paint? Elephant. Okay. Put it on the table. Put sheet on the table. Very good. Ready. So what? Tippy top. What color you want? Tippy top. What color you want? Blue color. Your elephant is blue. Open the blue color. Yes. Take out blue color from it. Oh, elephant's ready to get blue. Paint this elephant. Very nice. Paint it. Take some more color. Can I hold it? This color is blue color. And elephant is blue? Very good. Sit properly. Wow. Very good. So elephant tummy is blue. Trunk is blue. Elephant coloring is done. So yeah, let me show you the elephant you colored. Okay, we are not able to see the margins carefully, or we are not able to see the clear lines or hands, legs. But yes, you tried to be in the margin, and it's a good painting. Show me, show here. Show this elephant. Mihu, show this elephant. Mihu. Oh, okay, you're closing this because elephant painting is complete. Yay!